Good morning, students. We are in third lesson, India's internal challenge, page number 11th. So, we started to learn issues concerning Northeast India. Among that, we completed Mizoram and Nagaland. Today, we are going to learn Assam, the problems of Assam. In 1983, there was an intense agitation staged by all Assam Students' Union and Assam Gansangram Panishad over the question of the dominance in Assam of Bengali migrant. Means in 1983, a violence broke out in Assam. So the Students' Union and Assam Gansangram Parishad, they questioned about the Bengali migrants, those who are settled in Assam. Actually, this migrant, they don't have any valuable documents. They are not eligible for the citizen of the country. So illegally they settled in Assam. So many migrants are there in Assam in India. So according to the 2001 census, Indian government estimated there was 3.1 million Bangladeshis residing in India. Many are there. It will make problems. So they questioned, the All Students Union and Assam Gansangram Parishad questioned this issue, questioned about the migrants. And in 1985, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Central Home Minister Shankar Rao Chauhan, and Assamese leader Prabal Kumar Mohando signed an accord. Accord means agreement. In 1985, Rajiv Gandhi, he was the Prime Minister, and Home Minister Shankar Rao Chauhan, and their leader, Assamese leader Prabal Kumar Mohando, they signed an agreement. According to this agreement, it was decided to send the Bangladeshi citizens who had infiltrated in Assam back to their original places. So, it is decided that those who are settled, illegally settled in Assam, they decided to send them back to their original places. And in 1986, elections were held for Assam Legislative Assembly, and Prabal Kumar Mohando, the Assam Gana Parishad, became the chief minister. So he became the Prabal Kumar Mohando became the chief minister of Assam after this 1986 election. Due to this democratic process, it became possible to establish peace in Assam. In this way, Assam's problem solved. We cannot that it is solved. Still, problems are there. Okay, problems have been so. We cannot say that all the problems have been solved, but the migrants' problems are still there. So, let's hope all this problem is resolved, because nowadays many news are coming about this problems related to migrants. Okay, then our next topic is Arunachal Pradesh. In 1954, NEFA, we already learned that Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru formed this Northeast Frontier Agency, that is known as NEFA. It is formed in 1954. And in 1972, it began to be called Arunachal Pradesh. This area, NEFA area, is began to called Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh means region of rising sun. On 20th February 1987, it got the status of constituent state. Arunachal Pradesh also got the status of state. It became a state of Indian Federation. During the period from 1960 to 2000, Northeast India has progressed towards a more mature democracy. This area is on the path of progress to industrialization, spread of education, and all. Means from 1960 to 2000, all the problems are solved between these years, and they progress towards the matured democracy. Some problems are there, still some problems are there, but almost problems are solved, and these we already learned that Mizoram become a full-fledged state, then Nagaland also, then Assam, after that Arunachal Pradesh also got the status of constituent state. Okay, now our next topic is Naxalism. So you may have heard about the Naxalite movement. Okay, there was some Naxalite in this area also, in Maharashtra also. We heard this word, Naxalite movement, Naxalism. So this movement, Naxalite movement, started at Naxalbari in Darjeeling district in West Bengal. This Naxalite movement started in West Bengal. The Naxalite organized the small land holding farmers and land laborers and took charge in their lands, put up red flags, and declared that area as free territory in 1967. All those movements that took inspiration from this rebellion are called Naxalite movement. Means the landlords had exploited the common people, farmers, small farmers, and laborers. Okay, so these people, they formed an organization. They organized with this small land holding farmers and land laborers. And what they did, they put up a red flag and declared that area as free territory. Means ये जो Naxalite movement they organized small land holding people and land laborers को मिला के उन लोगों ने काम किया. They put up red flag and declared that area as free territory करके, means they are rented people, means they don't have a land. They have to pay fee in return of the use of the land, and now it become a free land. All those movements that took inspiration from this rebellion are called Naxalite movement. Okay, their intention was to take the land from the landlord and give it to the farmers, but later they moved away from this goal. Actually, their intention was very good. Their intention was take the land from the landlords and give to the small poor farmers. Okay. The movement had the objective of establishing Assam action committees to raise a voice against the exploitation of the farmers by the landlord and confiscate the land of the landlord and distribute it among the tenants. Tenants means that is rented landowners. Means one who pay the fees in return for the land. So this movement's objective, this aim was that establishing action committee to raise a voice against the exploitation. Actually, these landlords exploited, these small farmers are exploited by the landlords. So they raise the voice against that, and their aim is that to take this land and take away this land from the landlords and give to the farmers. Later, the movement strayed away from its objectives. It took recourse to terrorism to prevent any government schemes and welfare policies from reaching the common people. Then, after that, they moved away from their goal. It started with a good intention, but after that, they moving away from it. They were against the government, and not only that, to prevent any government scheme and welfare policies from reaching in common people. Common people के पास तक government की कुछ भी नहीं पहुंचाते थे. The Naxalite started a parallel system by rejecting the democratic system. This made Naxalism a serious challenge to the India's internal security. Now they are just become terrorist. They are against the government policies. We know that they started to attack military people and the police. They are totally against the government. The movement was mainly located in West Bengal. Later, the movement spread in East Godavari in Andhra Pradesh, parts of Visakhapatnam, Karimnagar in Telangana, Adilabad, Bastar, Rajnandgaon, and Sukma in Chhattisgarh, Gadchiroli, Bandara, and parts of Chandrapur in Maharashtra, Balghat and Mandala in Madhya Pradesh, and Koraput in Orissa. In order to maintain their influence, the Naxalite established an organization called People's Liberation Guerrilla Army, PLGA. This conflict is still going on. Means this movement started in West Bengal and it is spread to almost all places in Andhra Pradesh, some places in Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. In this whole area it is spreaded. And they formed an organization also that is called People's Liberation Guerrilla Army. Now they are against the government and they are doing terrorist work. Okay, this is all about the Naxalism. Then our next topic is communalism. Tomorrow we will be studying communalism and regionalism. Okay, thank you.